Want to start investing in the stock market but don't know where to begin? Or maybe you're tuts while protecting yourself. Strategy number 5, think long-term, don't panic sell. The stock market has always gone up over the long run. Even after crashes, it recovers. If you panic sell during a downturn, you lock in losses. But if you stay invested in solid companies, you'll make money in the long run. If you had invested in the S&P 500 30 years ago and never sold, you'd be up over 1,000% today. So there you have it, 5 essential stock market strategies that every investor should know. To recap, learn fundamental analysis, use technical analysis, diversify, set stop losses, and think long-term. Which of these strategies do you think is the most important? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stock market tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.